Hey everybody, welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we'll be unboxing Lootcrate. Alright, first thing on the box, it's a Rick and Morty Monster Mayhem figure. Pretty cool. It's like the ones they were selling at Comic-Con. Alright. Next thing on the box, it's a Harley Quinn journal. It's pretty cool. And got the shirt. It's pretty cool. So this is pretty much, again, it's everything in the box. You know, we're missing the Justice League pop sockets and the exclusive pin. Just letting you guys know. At least we got the figure, Rick and Morty. It's pretty cool. It's the mega crate. Well, that's everything in this box. A short video. We were missing 2 items. And I'll see you guys next time. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment.